Hey, what's up, Sami here. So right now I have all the Xiaomi 13 series here, the Pro and the standard version. But the shop is closed in 5 minutes, all right? So I gotta be really quick. Just do a very quick unboxing. I will do a very detailed one tomorrow, right? Several hours later, so please subscribe if you haven't. So here is this 13 Pro, right? This is the 13 Pro. So when I unbox it, first layer is the usual stuff. Okay, and what really surprised me is this 120 watts charger, right? And also that's the foam. That's the foam. This is the 13 Pro with that curved design on the back. Wow! And also check out this large camera module. Ooh, I will test that later. Please subscribe. You know, it's really good. But I feel it's a bit hot. I don't know. Anyway, all right, we just put it here. And here is the 13, the standard version. So we unbox, and here we have the 16.7 watts charger, and that's it. That's the big difference. And that's the 13. That's the 13. It's basically iPhone 40 Pro Max. The same design, right? Feels the same, looks the same. So which one do you like most? Ooh, just check out. This is the new color for that Mix Fold 2, right? This aerospace gray. I really like it. I don't know the official name. Okay. Which one do you like best? Just let me know, all right? Ooh. Same. All right, so that's just the first look. All right, they're about to close this shop in how many minutes? 3 minutes. All right, I don't want to make them work extra, so I will just stop here. Like I said, I will do a super detailed review tomorrow, like everything. So what aspects you guys want to know? Like Antutu camera test? Sure, just stay tuned. All right. I will definitely do that. So yeah, all right, it's already MIUI 14. What do you guys want to know about the MIUI 14? I will do a detailed review about that as well. Stay tuned. Okay, that's the 13 Pro. That's for now. I cannot tell you much about it. It's in a rush, and I didn't even bring a tripod. All right, but that's it. Yeah. Okay. Special thanks to the manager, my man. Number one. Okay, thanks. That's the video. I will do a super detailed one tomorrow. Bye bye.